In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print recently paid in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're signed in to the correct company, then head to the main workspace. Along the top, you'll see the navigation bar that helps you move between different areas of your books. We're going to focus on where you track spending and vendor activity. So look for the option labeled expenses and pay bills and click it. This brings you to the expenses area where you can view bills, payments, and vendor transactions. We want to narrow this view to only items that have been paid recently. To do that, locate the filter controls or drop downs in the expenses screen. Click the drop down that lets you choose the transaction status or view and select recently paid. This tells QuickBooks to show only the expenses that have been paid most recently, giving you a clean list that's ready to print. Once you select recently paid, the page will refresh and display the matching transactions. Take a quick moment to review what appears. Check that the vendors, dates, amounts, and payment statuses look right. If you prefer a particular sort order, such as most recent at the top, adjust the column sorting so the list appears exactly how you want it to print. What you see on screen is typically what will be sent to the printer. When the list looks good, look to the right-hand side of the page for the print option. You should see a small printer icon. If your window is narrow, you may need to scroll horizontally or resize the browser to reveal it. Click the printer icon to open your browser's print dialog. In the print dialog, choose your destination. If you're sending this to a physical printer, select that printer from the list. If you want a digital copy, choose Save as PDF or your system's PDF option. Before you finalize, glance at the preview to confirm it includes all the rows you expect and that the layout is clear. You can also adjust orientation and margins here if needed, so the columns fit neatly on the page. When everything looks right, click Print. QuickBooks will send the recently paid list to your selected destination, and you'll have a tidy record ready to file, share with your team, or attach to documentation. That's it. You've filtered your expenses to recently paid and printed the results directly from QuickBooks Online. If you keep your filters consistent, this process will be even faster next time.